Hey there, this is another Messenger Minute. Today we're going to talk a little bit about Inkscape and how to control colors and outlines. So if you watch my last video, you'll have this same workspace layout that I have here. So let's just jump right in and start by creating a couple of objects. So I'm going to create a circle, a square, and a star. Now I'm going to switch to my select tool. And using that I can select any particular object and then I can adjust it using my stroke menu and my fill menu. So let's start by changing the fill. So I'll set each object to a different color, and then let's have a look at what the stroke menu does. So over here we've been working with the fill menu, but this time we're going to have a look at the stroke menu. So right now you will see that all of these objects have no stroke. The X is highlighted here. That means there is no outline. So if we select a flat color, you will see that suddenly we actually have an outline here, and we can set that outline color, and we can also set that outline style. So right next to the stroke paint is the stroke style, and the stroke style allows us to control the width of an outline. It also allows us to control the style of an outline. So let's put a nice thick outline on this one. So once again, we will turn on the stroke, and then we will select our stroke style and our stroke thickness. Let's do the same for our third one. We'll go to the stroke menu, we'll turn on the outline, and we will select the style and thickness of the outline. It's as simple as that. Thanks for your time. This has been another Messenger Minute.